Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video of Clinical Dentistry Hub. Hope you find it interesting, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel till yet and you are new to my channel, please click subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out any new videos and any new update. So guys, today's video is about the 8 deadly diseases that is related to your dental problem. दैट मीन्स 8 ऐसी जानलेवा बीमारी जो हमारे दांतों की बीमारी से जुड़ी हुई है. सो दिस वीडियो विल बी अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ मिक्स ऑफ हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश सो दैट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल अक्रॉस द पार्ट कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. let me tell you that American Heart Association has identified and done a study, and they have told that the bacteria which are present in our oral plaque, दांत के ऊपर जमी हुई गंदगी के ऊपर जो भी जीवाणु प्रेजेंट होते हैं, ये क्या करते हैं, दे जस्ट ट्रेवल टू द ब्लड स्ट्रीम एंड दे जस्ट ब्लॉक आर आर्टरी. खून को अंदर बाहर करने वाली दिल की नसों को जाके ब्लॉक कर देते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हार्ट अटैक और स्ट्रोक के चांसेस इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं. सेकेंड इज when you have poor oral health, that means a health of an oral cavity which has lots and lots of bacteria. You have bad smelling mouth. In that case, the inflamed gums मतलब जो दांत के नीचे आपका जो ये पिंक कलर का कवरिंग रहता है जिसको हम मसूड़े कहते हैं, उनमें से एक ऐसा सब्सटेंस रिलीज होता है दैट कॉजेज डैमेज टू योर ब्रेन सेल्स. वो रिलीज होके आपके जो ब्रेन सेल्स हैं उनको डैमेज कर देता है. जब ये आपके ब्रेन सेल्स डैमेज हो जाएंगे तो आपको सोचने और समझने की क्षमता जो है वो धीरे धीरे कम होती जाएगी. और ऐसा एक स्टडी में पाया गया है कि मुंह के बैक्टीरिया जो ब्रेन के सेल्स को किल कर देते हैं, दे also lead to certain diseases such as dementia and Alzheimer disease. Study which says that bacteria in our oral cavity, basically those people who has bad oral health, they basically have increased chances of undergoing rheumatoid arthritis, because inflammation at that point of time in your gums may increase the chances of having a rheumatoid arthritis. Research have found that which people who have an inflamed gingiva, मतलब जो आपके मसूड़े होते हैं उनमें जब इन्फ्लेमेशन हो जाता है, उन कंडीशन में एक स्पेसिफिक टाइप ऑफ बैक्टीरिया पाया जाता है जिसे हम पोरफायरोमेनास जिंजिवालिस कहते हैं. दीज पोरफायरोमेनास जिंजिवालिस दे बेसिकली secrete a special type of protein which has been found in the brain cells of a person undergoing brain death at that time. So these porphyromonas gingivalis are specially linked to the periodontal diseases, that is periodontitis, that is inflammation of your periodontium. Periodontium includes your periodontal ligament and then bone covering all over, it gets inflamed into it. And it has shown that जब हमारे oral cavity में porphyromonas gingivalis bacteria increase हो जाता है तो it also causes pancreatic cancer. It can lead to pancreatic cancer, and there is a term which says that porphyromonas gingivalis is basically full of lots and surprises. It is just that we haven't explored a bit about it. Is that relation of your dental problem with the hypertension. So it has been said that there is a university in Glasgow in England, that is an Eastman University. They have stated that the patient who has a problem of an hypertension, जिनको बीपी की समस्या होती है, उन पेशेंट का डायरेक्टली लिंक होता है बैक्टीरिया विच इज़ प्रेजेंट इन आवर ओरल कैविटी. एंड नॉट ओनली दिस, देयर इज एन स्टडी बाय अमेरिकन हार्ट एसोसिएशन विच स्टेट्स दैट दी पर्सन, उन्होंने स्टडी करा कि किनका ओरल कैविटी अच्छा था और उन्हें ब्लड प्रेशर नहीं था. तो दे हैव कंक्लूडेड दैट जिन लोगों का ओरल कैविटी अच्छा था, मुंह में गंदगी नहीं थी, किसी तरह की स्मेल नहीं आ रही थी, किसी को ब्लीडिंग फ्रॉम गम्स की कंप्लेन नहीं थी, दैट मीन्स अच्छा ओरल कैविटी. सो पीपल हु आर हैविंग अ गुड ओरल कैविटी, दे वर हैविंग नो कंप्लेन्स ऑफ सर्टेन इंक्रीज और लो ब्लड प्रेशर. And the sixth is your relation of these inflamed gums with your respiratory diseases. So basically these inflamed gums may cause certain respiratory diseases, infections such as chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases or various respiratory illness. Now the eighth point is that it has been seen that bad oral cavity in a pregnant lady, basically there is an hormone which is generated which helps in uterine contraction. So during pregnancy, if you have a bad oral health, in that case these hormones generate earlier and can lead to the premature delivery of your baby. So that means a baby which is about to come in a 9-month may get delivered at 6 or 5 month of age if you have a bad oral cavity. So अगर किसी का ओरल कैविटी अच्छा नहीं है, जैसे कि मैंने पहले डिफाइन करा कि ओरल कैविटी अच्छा नहीं होने का मतलब क्या है, तो उस कंडीशन में एक हार्मोन सिक्रीट होता है जिसकी वजह से यूट्राइन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन जल्दी हो जाता है और बच्चे का जन्म समय से पहले ही हो जाता है. The eighth deadly diseases which is linked to our dental problem is diabetes. In the patient of diabetes, what happen is that if you have a bad oral health, in that cases the insulin absorption is decreased at that time. So when the insulin absorption will decrease, that means ultimately sugar level in the body will increase. That means more increase in the level of sugar, more destruction of the periodontium and more ill health of your oral cavity. So this is a vicious cycle, it will go on. So a patient who has a diabetic condition, in that case it is advised for the patient to maintain a very good health so that these complications can be avoided at a much earlier time. Basically if we talk about the traveling of these bacteria in our oral cavity from to the different part of the body, it is said that migrating of these organisms from your oral cavity to the different part of your body is basically it happens in every individual. We cannot prevent it, but we can manage it at an earlier stage. That means we can reduce the number of bacteria traveling from our mouth to the other parts of the body. What can be done is that proper brushing, that means 2-time brushing for 2 minutes is advised. Proper use of floss is there. Then you have to proper gargle it and you have to use mouthwash, but I would not recommend to use mouthwash more than 1 month because it causes staining. If used for a prolonged period of time may stain your teeth. So you should eat fruits and vegetables which have much content of fiber, which helps in natural cleaning away of your teeth. And there is a misconception which says that we should first eat breakfast and then brush our teeth. But let me tell you, it is said that various experts have said that first you have to brush your teeth and then you have to eat, because if you eat without brushing your teeth, there are remineralizing agent which is present in your saliva. रीमिनरलाइजिंग एजेंट हमारे दांतों में कीड़े लगने से बचाते हैं. तो व्हेन you eat the food without brushing, these saliva which have remineralizing potential will go down to your throat and into your stomach and will replenish. Whereas if you brush it, it will help in remineralization and then you can have your food. So all these things have to be maintained. People who are very fond of smoking and tobacco chewing, it is an advice, please stop doing it, as it is deteriorating your oral health. You would not be even come to know that just by sitting at home you will get a heart attack, and the cause will be the presence of bacteria in your oral cavity. So it is the right time to stop it right now and adopt a very healthy habit so that you have a beautiful future ahead. If you have liked this video, just like, share and subscribe so that maximum people can be made aware of it. Thank you.